If you want to sign out of Google Play Store account on Android, so open up your Play Store. Now at the top right corner, you gotta find your account icon. Tap on this arrow near your account icon name and scroll down to Manage Accounts on this device. Choose this option. Now choose the account which you are logged in your Google Play Store and simply press Remove Account. Confirm your choice by pressing Remove Account. And that should be it. Everything should be like this. If there are a little bit variations on different models, you may need to tap on the account to view additional settings and so on and so forth. Now let's confirm that that account is removed. So let's open up our Play Store again. Once again, if you don't have any other account which it can automatically log in, that's it. It will be unlocked. However, I have some accounts, so I logged in into a different account, but as you see, that last one is unlocked. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing on our channel.